How to fix VLC Media Player unable to play YouTube videos problem. So if you want to fix VLC Media Player unable to play YouTube videos problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you downloaded the official VLC Media Player. You can search for VLC.com or just simply go with VLC Media Player and install the official one. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just open up your VLC player. After opening, on the top left, you'll have tools. Go with tools and then go with preferences. Then here on the bottom left, you need to go with show settings and then click on all. And here under input codecs, you need to click on the option which is right here, demuxers. And here on the right side, you need to just go and select AVI option and then go with save. Once you've saved, now you just need to simply go with your browser and then open up your GitHub. And under your GitHub, you need to go with LunaScript and you need to just go and copy or just set the LunaScript to your VLC and it might fix your problem. Or the other solution is you just need to simply open up your settings, search for settings. And under settings, if you have any virus or if your virus and threat protection is turned off, you just need to simply go and turn it on. So you need to go with your setting and under your setting, you need to search for virus and threat protection under your Windows security. And under your virus and threat protection, go and turn that on. Once you turn that on, your problem may be fixed. If that still is a official problem, then the next solution is you need to just open up your YouTube. And once you're on your YouTube, instead of just copying the whole link, you can try copying only the letters or the numbers after the equals to. Try this and it might fix your problem. Or what you can do is just simply copy this and you can open up your VLC. After opening your VLC, you can go with your media. And here you need to go with open network stream. And here you need to paste the URL and go with play. And this might fix your problem. So that's it. These are the few solutions. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.